Today we'll be talking about the differences between the BMW E46 power fold-in mirror switch. And these switches are from a car with memory seats. This is my car, which is a 2001 330i. And I'll start with the manual fold-in mirror switch. This is the switch that came standard on my car, my USA spec 2001 E46. And this is for cars with memory seats but manual fold-in mirrors. As you can see, the switch is simple. It's right or passenger side mirror. You flip it that way and you use this to control the mirror. This car also has tilt-in mirror, reverse tilt features. Some cars may not have that. And this switch is usually the turquoise, which is a light blue back-in for this switch. If your car has non-memory seats and manual folding mirror, then this switch will be black in the back, or gray if you are in Europe. Some parts of Europe, the switch back may be gray colored, with two pin-in connectors, one down here and then a vertical one where this line is right here. The memory seats switches only have the one pin connector, which is a 6-pin connector with 4 plugs or 4 wires going in and out of that plug. And again, the non-memory seat cars will have an extra vertical 6-pin connector with 5 or less wire pins going in and out of that connector. And that's the memory seat manual fold-in mirror switch. So that manual fold-in mirror means you fold it yourself. This is the power fold-in mirror switch for memory cars, because the switch is in the back is purple color, or sort of like a reddish purple color, with the one 6-pin 4 pin out connectors. So 4 wires on a 6-pin switch, and a 6-pin connector goes into the switch. And the power fold-in mirror switch, which is this, would operate as such. You would switch right or left for the mirror control. That goes back and forth like that, real easy. In Europe, they call it the near side, far side, or near side, other side. So you might have abbreviations for the mirrors as PS for passenger side or near side, NS for near side, or O for other side, and so forth, and DS for driver side. So that's what this bit is. And you would control the mirror for the side. You also have an extra button here that's not present on the manual folding mirror switch that distinguishes this as a power folding mirror switch. And the button, as you press it, would fold in the mirror, and press it again would fold out the mirror. And that's what that does. And in my car, as you can see here, all you would have to do to convert your car from manual folding mirror, you would remove the switch that came with your car, which is, on my car was this switch, was the blue back switch that connected to this cable coming out the door. So all you would have to do is lift that up, unplug it, and as you can see here, for comparison, I do a side-by-side. The switchback connectors between the power folding and manual folding mirrors are identical. So it is plug and play. So you swap out the manual folding mirror switch, put that over there. I'm not going to use that again. And I buy my power folding mirror switch. This is about $60 at a BMW dealership, or you could buy it on eBay for a lot cheaper. And basically you just plug it in. I'm just going to show you how that works real quick. And there you go. And it plugs right in there. And I'm going to put that into my door like that. It goes right in there. It fits right in, like for like. And there you go. And once you have your power folding mirrors on a memory car, you just install your power folding mirrors onto the car on both sides. And this is plug and play. You don't have to code the car for this to work. And the minute you plug this in, all your connectors are connected. This power folding switch would power fold the mirrors, providing you have power folding mirrors on your car, and the power folding mirrors are connected to something we call the memory modules in the door. If you have manual control seats, non-memory seats, your project is going to be a little different than this. It's going to be a little bit more complicated. And that's basically the discussion on these switches. So there's basically two types of switches that BMW make: manual fold-in mirror and a power fold-in mirror switch. But in these two categories of switches, there's about 6 different types of switches. So you'd also have manual non-memory and manual memory. So that's 2 types of switches. And then you would have power fold-in memory and power fold-in non-memory. So that gives you 4 types. And within those 4 types, you'd have 2 sort of deviations of sort of the norm. Pre-cars, pre-E46 cars, pre-1999 E46 cars that had power folding mirrors didn't have memory power folding mirrors, but they had memory, even if they had memory seats. So you'd have a white back switch for memory seated cars, memory power adjust seat cars, but the mirrors are power folding non-memory non-tilting mirrors. And you would also have a gray back switch in Europe for Europe cars for manual folding non-memory but tilted mirror cars. So the mirrors would tilt when you reverse the cars. And that's about 6 types of switches, but basically the idea is you have 2 power folding and non-power folding or manual folding switches. And the project is that simple. Just get the switch and get the mirrors and everything's plug and play for a memory seated car. And that's it.